welcome back to our channel. By the way, I'm Judge Matthew De Leon and I will be explaining the components list and their purpose. Our components list features an Arduino Uno, resistor 10K, jumper cable resistor 220R, ambient light sensor, solderless breadboard, 5mm LED. First, we have the Arduino Uno. It is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328P chip. It features multiple digital and analog input or output pins, making it ideal for prototyping sensor-based projects. It can be powered by USB or an external power supply and programmed easily via the Arduino IDE. Its purpose in Autolight project is to read input from the ambient light sensor and controls the LED based on the brightness level detected. Next, we have the resistor 10K, a higher value resistor often used in sensor circuits, especially as a pull-down or pull-up resistor to stabilize resistor. Next, we have is the resistor 10K, a higher value resistor often used in sensor circuits, especially as a pull-down or pull-up resistor to stabilize readings. Its purpose in Autolight project is to work with the ambient light sensor or to create a voltage divider, ensuring an accurate light level detection by the Arduino. Jumper cable a flexible insulated wires with metal pins at both ends, used for quick and reliable circuit connections on a breadboard without soldering. Its purpose is to carry signals and power between the Arduino and ambient light sensor, the resistors, and the LEDs, enabling proper circuit operation. Resistor 220R, a passive component that limits current flow to protect sensitive devices such as LEDs from excess current. Its purpose is to connect in series with the LED to prevent it from burning out by reducing the current passing through. Ambient light sensor, a sensor whose resistance changes based on the amount of light hitting its surface. In bright light, resistance drops. In darkness, resistance increases. Ambient light. Ambient light sensor, a sensor whose resistance changes based on the amount of light hitting its surface. In bright light, resistance drops, while in darkness, its resistance increases. Its purpose in Autolight project is to detect the surrounding brightness level and sends an analog value to the Arduino, which then decides whether to turn the LED on or off. 5mm LED light, a semiconductor device that emits visible light when an electric current flows through it. LEDs are polarized, meaning they have a positive anode and negative cathode side. Its purpose is to light up automatically when the sensor detects low light levels, acting as the auto night lamp. Breadboard, a reusable board with internal conductive strips that allows components and wires to be connected without soldering. Its purpose in Autolight project is to organize the connections between the Arduino, LED, resistor, and ambient light sensor in a neat and easy to modify layout. That is all for my report on our components list. Thank you for watching the video.
Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be making project 9, which is Autolight, and we will show how to connect it and demonstrate it to make it work. And so let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Explanation. I'm Zanasaurus Bardos and I'll be now explaining AP9 of Arduino. So we have a few things to talk about here. So first off is these two. So I have the value here which is set up to 0 and I have the LED at number 9. So don't worry about this line of code right here. It's not used within the actual Arduino, but if you want to add a fan, you can just put this in and output this in so that you can actually excuse me so that you can actually use a fan. So now we have a simple line of code here. We have value which is taken from this, which is 0. Now 0 equals analog read 0. Now it reads the voltage value and then prints it in the serial monitor, which is this. Now I don't really have it right now, but it should output a value. Now, if that value is less than 850, it will not turn on. Now, it will keep it off, less, or else it will turn this on, in which the LED would turn on. And then there's also a delay for 0, or at least less than 100 milliseconds, or a 1,000th of a second. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed listening and I hope you learned something. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.